Over the past few years, you guys have been asking for RGB kits. After many rounds of designing, prototyping, and testing, we have finally brought your idea to life. Introducing the Light Mode Night Shift. You might be wondering how our technology differs from regular LED strips. On the left, we have a regular LED strip. On the right is ours. The key difference here is the diffusion of light. The challenging part was getting this diffusion while still being low profile, flexible, and water resistant. All of the LED products on the market today only have a couple of these features, never all of them. Until now. Let me tell you how the Night Shift outperforms our previous kits. Compared to our previous gen, your Night Shift will glow brighter, last longer, all while being powered by a smaller controller. So back us today and help bring this project to life.